To make a big poster in Canva, you're going to come to your Canva homepage and come over to templates here, and you want to search for poster. But me, I'm just searching for traditional poster so I can see all the posters options I can use. I sort of like this poster and I'm going to click on it. From here you can see the size of this poster, that this is a portrait A2. We're going to go ahead and click on customize this template. Now that your template has opened in the editor, since you're making a big poster, you want to come over to the resize option here and come over to custom size, and you want to impute the size of the poster you want to make. For me, I am making 4 feet by 4.5 feet of poster. Now I want to change this inch. Since there's no feet measurement in Canva, I will change it to inch because 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So I'm going to change this one to 48, which is 4 by 12, and I'll go to the height. Since that one is 4.5, I'm going to make that 4 times 12 is 48 plus the half, which is 54, and we'll enter that. We'll resize this design because this is the design we want to work with. If you scroll, you see that the poster has been resized. This is 4 foot by 4.5 foot. You can now go into the poster and start to edit things out of it. So I'm just going to edit it to match the details I'm using. I'll put in the name of the person I'm designing this poster for here. You just double tap on each text box and start to edit it. Put in your own date and go to position, come into layers and come to this one. I want to size it out a bit. Because we resize this, it's going to move a whole lot of things. Let me go back to position again and scroll. This is where you're going to see everything that is in your design. And I will select the bottom one and group it together. From here, you can bring in your own image. If you go to elements here, or you can upload your image from the upload panel here. If you come to the upload files, you bring in your own image from here. Let me go back to the element and find an image to use to demonstrate this. So if you want to use this image, I'm just going to pull it and drag it into this place. You see it replaced what was here. You see I've replaced this, and if I come back to the image, you want to use an image that is sharp. I will go into edit because that photo was edited. I will come over to adjust, and if I don't want the adjustment, I'm going to reset the adjustment so my picture has the original color. To allow you edit the template properly, you want to click on any element and go to position, then come in here, hold shift on your keyboard. If I hold shift and select this and select this, you see it allows me to come in here and group them, and I'll be able to move them as one unit. You can take out things like, if I want to take this one out, I can just take this out. We increase the size of this text box into 70. So once you're happy with how your poster looks and you've gotten all your design aligned properly, you have everything ready. The next thing you want to do is to come over to your share button here. You click on download. From the file type here, you want to select PDF print, and I advise using the CMYK best for professional printing. If yours is in RGB, please change it to CMYK if you're going to be printing this large poster, and we'll leave it at that. And you want to click on download to download this poster into your device.